Hey guys, welcome back to another Build a Boat video. And in this video, I'm just going to do some challenges just for y'all and see if I can complete them. Let's go. Alright, for the first challenge, I've been thinking only wooden blocks only and with a normal motor and driver's seat. Let's go. Whoa, Ferrari. Oh, what? Why did bro? Oh, wait. Hell no, bro. I don't need a Ferrari. No, thank you. Bye bye. Let's go. We're at the first stage right now. My only goal is to just reach the end. But this might be hard because this wooden block is one of the most weakest blocks ever in this game. So I'm not really expecting to reach the end this easily. But I have some experience in driving a boat like this. Not in real life though, only in the game. Hopefully this train doesn't come. Please. Okay, it didn't come yet. Good. That's really good. It's pretty easy so far still. I'm hoping there's not going to be any trouble in the next few levels or stages. Or else I'll just lose. They'll have to do the next challenge. My mask. Oh no, my mask. You don't mind me don't mind my bold oh crap. Oh. I think Zeus just struck me. What did I do? Alright, attempt to I have a better idea. Instead of this, I can use wooden blocks, but I didn't use every wooden wooden thing. So what I mean is just do that. So I'm just gonna get a motor like that. Put the driver's seat. It looks normal. But I'm also gonna use everything that is wooden. So yeah. I just don't know why it's a different color. And don't really know. Just put one there, one there. We should also do the edges. Like that. And then we have to do the front. Alright, this looks kind of clean because it's literally like a temple. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, just do the corners. This looks pretty clean. Yeah, and then we just do one more in the front. Boom, look, this looks fantastic. Alright, let's do this. Did I just saw someone? Oh my god. What was that? Oh wow, look at that beautiful car right there. Oh shoot, wait, what? What's happening over there, bro? It's like World War II, but we're just cars only. Alright, here we're at the first stage already. Still looks, the love stages are still the same, I think, so we should be good. Okay, we're at the second stage and it's pretty the same. Yeah. Hey, what's that on a string or something? I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. We're getting near to the stage I died, which is the next stage, is this Zeus stage. I'm not really sure if I'll be able to survive because my boat's really going in half of itself. Oh my! I did a flip. That flip low. 10 out of 10 flip, to be honest. Oh. No. Bruh, Zeus, stop striking me with lightning. Alright, I'm just gonna try one more time and then I'll stop. You know what, since I keep dying, I'll use an ultra one. Please don't say pay to win. This is the only thing I spent pay to win on. Okay? Please. Okay, so then, yeah, I'm just gonna. Why not if I just do this? Oh, bumper, yeah. Totally good bumper. Okay, we do this, that, and that. Add these for more defense. Okay, it's a bit longer. Should make. I don't know what I'm doing right here, but yeah, just try to cover that up. And then we shall put on the driver's seat. This is my last attempt for the wood challenge, so I'm not really expecting much. Oh my, look at that car. Ah, yo, chill, bro, chill. What is that car, bro? Oh, but not gonna lie, that's a good car. Whoa! We did a triple flip. We did like quadruple flip. Oh my, I did another. Oh, that's like 5 flips in one. Oh, okay, I don't know why my boat keeps flipping. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my, we made it even worse. Alright, so the next challenge, we're just trying to be like this guy with wheels. Alright, but we're not gonna use a lot, so we can only use blocks that have under 4 strength, yes, or 4 strength, or under 4 strength. Why the frick is this guy here? Like, get out, bro. You're dead. Okay, I think we're gonna add a little bit more. That. Don't mind the wheels, even though they're 10 strength. It's still, I need to build a car, so yeah. So I don't know if the spike track will work, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna make the walls. I'm gonna make like this. Oh, wait. Okay, we have all this. We're just gonna paint these. Looking pretty cool so far. Next, we're just gonna add the driving car seat, the driver's seat, right there. And then we're just gonna add a little bit more metal. Now we're just gonna paint this, and it should be fine. But because I don't have any more metal blocks, I know I could just use some of this, but I don't, it doesn't look good, to be honest. But I'll kind of use it. How does the lamp and more? We're also gonna add like some bumpers right here. Hold up. Like that. And we shall use this, I guess. What should I use it for? Oh wait, no. I'll use glass for windows. Alright, you can just speed up or skip this part because it's taking a little bit long to build. Or you could just watch if you just want to watch. You can just skip to a few seconds and then I'll be done. Oh wait, I didn't think you need to skip. I'm already done. Okay, anyway, this is our car. Oh wait, I forgot to paint this. Rate this car out of 10, bro. Rate this car out of 10. Alright, let's get to the end. Alright, drive's pretty decent. But the steering is kind of bad. Don't know why. I think I have too much weight on it. I'll try to steer it the best I can. Gosh, it's so hard to steer. Oh my, we keep hitting this. We keep hitting everything. Steering is just so... Oh, yeah. I'm cooked. I'm definitely cooked. Oh yeah, I'm back hot. I know how to steer this. I'm pro. Oh shoot. Wait, don't come out. Oh, thank you. I'm pro driving even though I don't have any steering. I'm better. I'm totally better. Whee! Uh-oh, it's kind of hard to drive. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Oh hell no! I think this is the worst stage to be if you can't use any motors or the capability of moving faster. There's just nothing. I'm probably just my bumpers literally just trying to follow us. Oh, falling off. Everything's falling off. Even my mask fall off, man. Like I didn't want to show you my bald head, bro. My shiny bald head. But we're still at the same stage where we always died. I don't have a seat no more. I don't have a buckle. I need to buckle up, but I don't have a seat. I don't have a seatbelt. Or even a seat. Well, it looks like we will make it to the farther stage. But we're kind of close. No. Thought that was gonna kill me. What's that? I wanna go. Oh wait. Is this a good idea? Alright, new challenge. Find out what the hell was that. I don't even care. I need to know what the hell is that. I do not know really much about some things and stuff. So I need to know what that is. What that one means. Oh my gosh, that's kind of sus. Please don't. I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. I'm stuck. I know what to do now. Alright, we should get don't worry. Don't name, please don't say why it's named that. It's just don't mind. I have broken, have I already passed it? Oh no. No, come back. Wait, do I need a... Oh no, I need something. Oh no. I need something to get in. Wait. I can actually... Oh, don't. Please. Oh! What's this? Wait, what? Where's my prize? You scammer! You scammer! My 200 IQ play became a 0 IQ play. Very 0 IQ. Okay, for the next challenge, I can only use three stuff, like for example a motor, a couple blocks, and something else. Well, I have a plan. I have a really good plan. Okay, so that's trying to use, don't mind me what I'm trying to do. That. Get that there. Place a motor right there. Then we are going to get a magnet. So you might know what I'm doing. I'm using very little material, so please, I need tools. And I want to win. I'm gonna win. This, oh my, that's AFK grinder. It's gold. Is that gold? Wait. Oh my, he's just flexing. He's flexing. I wish I had that. I wish I had lots of. Oh no. Wait, it doesn't work. No. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you had a great day today, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.